Mark here with Tamed Fire. In the very near future, I'm going to be doing a fire breathing tutorial. It's best that you follow it from the beginning to the end if you're just entering the fire breathing world. There's many who will disagree with me giving a tutorial online and suggest that you learn in person. However, I do disagree with this somewhat because I wasn't trained in person. Pretty much just got a general idea from people in person and then went off on my own and taught myself. I'd like to leave behind the legacy of some of the movements that I've created and worked on, as well as some of the people who I've worked with and have created as well. And we all stand on the shoulders of giants, and my hopes are that we can push the envelope of this art form further and continue to learn from one another. When the wind is going in one direction, it limits what we can do as fire breathers. We'll go more in depth on topics like this in the tutorial.